In the world of competitive strategies, a frontal assault is like a full-throttle, head-on attack against a rival's strongest defenses. It means challenging your competitor directly in their core strengths, be it product quality, pricing, marketing, or distribution. The aim? To grab market share or weaken their position by confronting them where they're most confident. Let's dive into one of the most legendary examples of a frontal assault. The Cola Wars of the 1980s. Picture this: neon lights, big hair, and a fierce clash between two soft drink giants. In one corner, the reigning champion Coca-Cola, an iconic brand that was virtually synonymous with cola itself. In the other corner, the audacious challenger, Pepsi, ready to stir up the status quo with its sweeter taste and rebellious attitude. The stage was set with Pepsi's bold move, the Pepsi Challenge. Launched in 1975, this campaign featured blind taste tests where consumers were asked to choose between Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Pepsi boldly claimed that more people preferred its taste over Coke's. This wasn't just a taste test. It was a frontal assault on Coca-Cola's biggest strength, its taste. Coca-Cola, not one to back down, fought back with its classic, feel-good advertising. There Have a Coke and a Smile campaign reinforced Coke's identity as more than just a drink. It was a part of life's happiest moments. But in April 1985, Coca-Cola made a dramatic move. They introduced New Coke, a reformulated version aimed at competing with Pepsi's sweeter flavor. The reaction? Utter chaos. Loyal Coke drinkers were outraged. Protests erupted, and customers demanded the return of the original recipe. Just 79 days later, Coca-Cola made a swift comeback with Coca-Cola Classic, which was met with jubilation and boosted sales. Meanwhile, Pepsi didn't rest on its laurels. It continued to push boundaries with high-profile endorsements, including Michael Jackson. Pepsi positioned itself as the drink of the new generation, cool, edgy, and undeniably modern. So, who emerged victorious in the Cola Wars? While Pepsi's aggressive tactics and Coca-Cola's missteps with New Coke shook the market, Coca-Cola retained its leadership. However, Pepsi emerged stronger, with a larger market share and a brand image that resonated deeply with younger consumers. The Cola Wars exemplify the power of a frontal assault strategy. It's a high-stakes, high-reward approach that can drive significant market changes. But remember, success requires not only a bold strategy, but also the agility to adapt and respond to unexpected challenges. Enjoyed what you saw? Hit that subscribe button and like this video to join our community and never miss out on new content.